god.
Chapter 7 video. Chapter 8 in Spain.
7 video, 2015 though.
Hey. How you clean a whiteboard?
Okay, so we have our first problem, this beautiful thing. The very first thing that we need to do is change this division sign to multiplication. And how do we do that? We switch the top and the bottom.
The party next door.
Okay, that's
Tell me this problem.
Okay, so now, once we did that and we made it multiplication, now we have to factor it out. So we factored out all of them, and we factored out this beautiful thing. So once it's all factored out, we go to the next step. Stop.
Tell me this problem.
Okay, so now, once we did that and we made it multiplication, now we have to factor it out. So we factored out all of them, and we factored out this beautiful thing. So once it's all factored out, we go to the next step. Stop. Okay, so the next step we do is we cancel out every factor that is alike, and you can't do it when they're next to each other. You have to do it when they're across from each other. After we do that, we get this, and we simplify, and then we simplify it and make it 1 over 2 x plus 4, and it simplifies to x plus 2 is 2x.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That helped me a lot.
Rational equations. Okay, so Mr. Silva, this is the equation we're trying to solve for x. And the process in doing that, you have to find the least common denominator, which is a factor of all these numbers. So right here, we got 10x. So we multiplied it by 5x across, and 2x across, and 10.
Because you want to get all of them to 10.
No, to get this, to get the same denominator for each one, so you could solve it. Okay, so from there, stop. Okay, put that aside. Okay, so basically
Turn that off, dude.
we basically solve it, and this is what we got. Okay, and from here you wanna cancel out the denominators because they're all the same. Okay, so basically you multiply it by the same. Okay, so the same denominator, and if you didn't know already, you can cancel them out. Okay, if you multiply them by the denominator.
Yes.
So basically this is what we're doing, and we always put a parentheses.
You cancel out all the
so
tens?
you know you're multiplying. Okay, so you do that, right? And then from there you just use simple algebra. Add 5x plus 6x is 11x, right? Equals 40. Then simple algebra. Divide by 11, divide by 11, x equals 40 over 11.
Hell yeah,
What about
though.
as a decimal?
Okay, Sarah, go take it away.
Yes.
Go, Sarah.
A genius right here. Anyways, so you factor 5 and 24, which is 8, which is a positive, and 3, which is a negative, because that multiplies to negative 24 and pluses to 5.
So once Sarah got the factored that, she got 8 x plus 8 and x minus 3, and you want to get 2 common denominators since you're adding. So by doing that, you multiply both of these sides by x minus 3, and then you get a common denominator. Once you do that, you're going to distribute that one. So show us the distribution.
The 4x minus 9.
Yeah, so you have to factor that out, I think. Can you even factor that out?
No.
You can see it.
No, you can't.
So it'll just stay 4x
Minus 9, yes.
And then
And then 5x squared, right? And then the same common denominator,
On
which
the
is
bottom was
x plus
plus,
8,
yeah.
and then x minus 3. You can just do one big one, yeah. And then x
So-
minus 3, yeah. And then just,
Anyways.
like, put it like that. Okay.
okay,
So, once we have that, then
we combine these.
we want to combine the top.
Okay, so the like terms.
Yeah, combine the like terms.
So
5x squared. So, the like terms are 15 and 9, right? So, let's add those two mofos together.
24. Up in
Alright.
here. 24.
Wait, dude,
Oh.
that's it, though.
What the heck, though?
So, our...
Sarah did a little mistake right here, but I got this.
And
So-
mistakes are good because you learn from them. You
I
really do.
definitely did on the test. Gonna do great. Okay.
And then dude. No, dude. Okay, so
Wait.
So then,
So then now we look at this and we say,
Like
"Oh
Sarah
God."
says. So, I just write that down, okay? So basically, it comes out to.
Mom, I don't get this.
Oh my God.
Okay, so at the end of this, all this beautiful work we just did.
So that's our answer.
Okay. Cleaning my room. It takes me 3 hours to clean my room, and it takes my friend 5 hours to clean her room.
No way.
So to figure out how long it would take us to do it together, you'd put X over the amount of hours it takes you, plus X over the amount of hours it takes your friend, and set it equal to 1. And then you take the least common denominator of 3 and 5, which is 15. So you'd multiply X over 3 times 5 over 5, and X over 5 times 3 over 3. And then you'd get 5X over 15 plus 3X over 15 is equal to 1. Then you add 5X and then you multiply 5X times 3X. So that's 15X over 15 equals to 1. And you can cross out the 15s and X will equal to 1. So it will take you and your friend 1 hour to clean your room.
Okay.
Here are our thoughts on diversity.
Diversity is
More than just the color of your skin, it's like your personality. Like there's, you can like we're a diverse group of girls.
People could see our group and say, "Wow, those are some basic girls." But we're all different, and we're all because diversity is a lot more than the color of your skin. Or
like Kristen said.
yeah.
It's just more of like all the experience you've been through and everything that's like built you up as a person. And so basically, like, yeah, people will judge us. They'll see from like judge us by like a book. Same thing with us. You know, that's a metaphor. You know, of these 4 gals right here.
It's like a way of. It's like a way of thinking. If you think like that, you're obviously gonna see like that.
Stop making me laugh.
I mean, we're all white. No, Monica doesn't. She's a little tanner than usual. But we all have different hair. We all have curly hair, long hair, short hair.